Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Lato's Kitchen. Today it's all about breakfast and I'm going to show you how to make thick fluffy pancakes and I'll serve it with a glass of fruity shake. Let's get started. To make thick fluffy pancakes, we need 200 grams self-raising flour. That's the one that has the baking powder in it already mixed. 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 eggs, and about 300 ml of Lato milk. To make the fruity shake, I'll be using Lato strawberry flavored milk, bananas, and some berries. I'll start with the eggs. I'll add the sugar and the Lato milk, so 300 ml of the milk. And the reason why I end with the flour is because I want to get the consistency right. The thing about thick fluffy pancakes, you need the mixture to be really thick. So it's better to end with the flour, then you can always add more milk if it's too thick. So the other thing that you need to note when you're making pancakes is it's a very good idea to have a whisk, because if you're mixing the mixture with a fork, it does not eliminate the lumps that may develop as you're mixing. And the idea is to mix it until all the flour is fully mixed. It should not be as light as when you're making crepes, which are the thin pancakes. So this is a good consistency. I'll be using Lato unsalted butter, and you need about a teaspoon per pancake. Just a small amount. So when the butter is melted, just make sure it's spread all over the surface, and then using a spoon, pour the pancake mixture at the center of the pan and let the mixture spread evenly by itself. Do not try and spread it like this, because what we want is just for it to spread evenly. But it's also advisable, what I would advise is you use a smaller pan when you want to make nice evenly sized pancakes. So what you will see as the pancake starts cooking is small holes developing on the top side of the pancake, and that is very normal for any pancake that has either baking powder or you're using self-raising flour. And you check on the bottom is not too brown. Turn your pancake to cook on the second side. The second side doesn't take too long to cook. Again, as you can see, it has an even round shape, and that's because I was using a small pan. If you're using a very big pan, then what will happen is that the pancake will be shapeless. Now to make the fruity shake, I'll add the banana. So 2 bananas, and banana is good. You can also use mango because they will make the shake thick, and a little bit of the berries just to boost the flavor. So that's raspberry, and because I'm using strawberry flavored milk, again to make it even more fruity, I'll add the whole fruit. And then now for the Lato twist, I will add 250 ml of the Lato strawberry flavored milk. So the shake is ready. As you can see, it's nice and thick, and you garnish it with a strawberry on top. Now for the pancakes, you can serve it with some honey or syrup. So just pour the syrup on top like that, and then a small knob of butter, and there you have it, thick fluffy pancakes, fruity shake for you to enjoy for breakfast. And until next time, I'm Chef Raphael. Goodbye.